99% of people think this makes them rich, but it's secretly keeping them broke. Before you buy your next car, phone, or luxury item, watch this. A young stickman dreamed of becoming rich. He believed rich people owned expensive cars, flashy gadgets, and luxury items. So the moment he earned money, he spent it. When he finally bought his dream car, he felt successful. But a few weeks later, something strange happened. Money kept leaving his pocket. Fuel, insurance, repairs, maintenance. Month after month, the car demanded more money. The stickman looked confused. If owning expensive things makes people rich, why am I getting poorer? That's when he discovered a life-changing lesson. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. Suddenly, everything started making sense. The car wasn't making him money. It was costing him money. Then he learned about assets. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. Instead of taking money away, it brings money back. Imagine owning a small business. Customers buy products. The business earns profits, and money flows to you. That's an asset. Then the stickman discovered investing. Instead of spending every dollar he earned, he started buying investments. Little by little, his money began growing. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. His investments became bigger. His income increased. And something amazing happened. His money started working harder than he did. While he slept, his assets kept growing. While he relaxed, his assets kept producing income. Most people buy liabilities first and hope to become rich later. But wealthy people often buy assets first. Then they use the income from those assets to buy the things they want. That's the difference. Every dollar you earn is a worker. You can spend that worker today, or you can send it out to bring back more workers. One choice creates temporary pleasure. The other creates long-term wealth. The stickman finally understood. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. And the more assets you own, the more freedom you create. So here's a question. Did you buy an asset or a liability this month? Comment your answer below. And if you want more simple money lessons that can change your future, subscribe now and join the journey to financial freedom.